All right, today I'm going to walk you through a custom integration that I did between a WordPress website and Klaviyo in order to create an RSS automation. What is an RSS automation? Well, RSS feeds were typically used for blog posts, and anytime that a new blog post was published, you could notify people through several different ways. RSS feeds used to be big back in the day. MailChimp has an RSS feed automation that basically you set it up, and once you published a new blog post, you could automatically notify your subscribers. But in this case, we want to look at yoga classes because she sells a subscription to an online library of her yoga classes. And instead of blog posts, we are going to notify her subscribers, her actual paying subscribers, every time that there is a new class available for them to do. She has almost 300 classes, so you can imagine that if she had to manually go in and create a new campaign every single time she posted something, that would be a huge waste of time. Well, not waste of time, but a time suck. I'm going to go through this fast because we all have attention spans of grasshoppers. So the first thing you need to do is grab your RSS from WordPress and put that into Klaviyo as a custom web feed. You can search their help documentation on how to do that. I'm going to skip it for now. So once you have that RSS web feed going into Klaviyo, you need to make a template. And inside of that template, you need to create dynamic placeholders to pull that information out of the web feed. In this case, we want the title of the class, the thumbnail of the class, the description of the class, and then a button and a link that will take you back to the class. I'm going to skip clicking on this class over here, but you will see that once this gets created with the actual information, as you can see on the left, we have the title is the same, the thumbnail is the same, this is the description of the class itself. We put in a text link and a button link. Well, this text link just comes in through the RSS feed. So that is only half of it. You've set up the template, but you have not actually sent anything yet. So you need to use Zapier for that. And to use Zapier, you set up the trigger is sitting here waiting for a new item in the RSS feed. This is a Zapier zap. Here we have to delay for 6 hours because Klaviyo itself may take up to 6 hours to refresh its custom web feeds. So you want to make sure these two things are in sync. And then after that, you have to go in through the Klaviyo API to first create a campaign. This is not really that intuitive, but first you create a campaign, and then you have to assign a template to that campaign. So again, that template is the one that we built right here. So you say, okay, take this template, assign it to this campaign, and then finally on step number 5, you can send that campaign to a predefined list. So also in Klaviyo, we have set up a segment that says, these are the people that should receive this email. So again, every time that she publishes a new yoga class, it's going to send an email to all of her people that are subscribed. You'll notice that she has done this 3 times and it has gone out, or the automation has worked. You can ignore these 2 things because I accidentally had smart sending turned on, but now that is off. So I left out all of the details to make this video as short as possible, but if you want any other information or to know how to build this for yourself, just reach out to me and we can have a chat and go through it together. Hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully it gives you some ideas of some other custom integrations that you might be able to do or work out through WordPress and Klaviyo.